Yo, B, they ready. Let's go.
Feeling myself, I'm feeling myself, I'm feeling myself, I'm feeling myself,
With some hood girls looking back at it, and a good girl in my tax bracket. Got a black card and let sex have it. These Chanel bags is a bad habit.
I ain't playing with you.
Yeah. You a walking trophy. Girl, you a walking trophy. You a walking trophy.
So hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I achieved this flawless look right here. So if you want to see how I achieved this, stay tuned and watch to the end to find out all the deets and the teats as to what I used to get this fabulous look. So today guys, I'm going to show you how I went from this to this, okay? Alright, so as you can see, I've already done my brows off camera, and now I'm going in with my 24 karat gold highlighter to define those brows. As you can see, I'm just blending it in so that the gold underneath my eyes can stand out outstandingly when I'm finished. Now I'm going in with this brown shade from the Huda Beauty Dusk palette, and I'm applying this as my first transition shade. I'm just packing this on and blending it into my skin until I'm happy with the first layer of transition shade. And you want to just make sure that you pat this on and also blend it in, because you don't want it to be too harsh on the lids. Okay, I'm now going to go in with this darker shade, and I'm going to apply that onto the first transition shade to further intensify the darkness of my eyes, as I'm going for a smoky glitter look today. And I'm just doing the same thing, adding multiple layers and just packing it on, blending it into my skin until I'm happy with the outcome. Okay, you see, every time I'm checking to make sure that it's not too dark and it's also not too light, because you want to smash this smoky eye look. Okay, so now I'm just going in with my glitter fix glue, and I'm applying that onto the lid of my eyes as if I was cutting my crease. And then I'll go in with my silver glitter eyeshadow, and then I'll just pat this onto my lids. Then I'll go in with the darker shade and blend them together so it rests seamlessly and look absolutely stunning. Once I'm finished with this eye, I then went off camera to do my other eyelid, and then I'll come back. Trust me, you guys, you'll love this look when I'm finished. Just watch to the end, and yeah, tell me what you think so far. You always want to make sure that you check your work as you go to ensure that you're getting the absolutely flawless look that you want to aim for. So I've done my lashes and a little wing off camera, and this is how it's coming together so far. So now I'm going to be priming my face with a regular drugstore primer. I keep saying this because I'm always forgetting the name. Yeah, and I'm just going to blend this into the skin before I start applying my adjusting shade foundation and my favorite, you know what it is, Fenty Beauty in 410. So yeah, don't mind me and all these facial expressions. When you're doing makeup, you'll always be making these expressions, so don't worry. Yeah, so now this is my shade adjuster in dark, and then I'll be applying a few Fenty Beauty foundation, as you see right here. Now this is a new technique that I came up with, and I think it works for me perfectly. It takes a long time, trust me, but you see how smooth this makeup looks. when I use this technique. And yeah, it's just a damp beauty sponge instead of the brush, and I'm just damping the whole thing onto my skin. I'm just blending away. Your fingers will start hurting you, trust me, but you want to look good, this is what you have to do, okay? And I'm just blending. Yeah, and as you can see already, it looks really smooth, and I love the way this makeup look came out. Absolutely loved it. I don't know, this bit kept repeating, but yeah, just watch to find out how we snatch this look, okay? I'm now going in with my, you know what it is, LA Girl Pro Concealer in Toasting, and I'm just carving out that nose area and working underneath my eyes to make sure that my eyes will be popping, okay? So now I'm just damping my beauty sponge with my setting spray and now I'm gonna be blending away, blending this into the skin, and then I'll be using my LA Girl concealer again, as you know, in dark coca to contour my face, okay? Then I'll be setting with my best friend, the Sasha buttercup setting powder, to set those highlighted areas, and then the contoured areas will be done with the LA Girl Pro Press Powder in dark coca. And then we'll be finishing up this look with, you know, lipstick, and yeah, but just continue watching. I'm snatching this look, okay? You see, I'm just always checking my work because I want to be a perfectionist, all right? So now, as you can see, I baked and then I define my contoured areas, then I dust away all the excess powder with a normal foundation brush, and then I'll be setting my face, and yeah. So I line my lip with this pink lip liner, and then I just use the same lip liner to fill my lips in, and then I went in with a darker burgundy reddish shade to intensify my lip area. And yeah, this is the end of the video. You know, I did a little bit of highlight, or for you it will be a lot, but yeah, I did my highlighting, and this is the finished look. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and share this video with all your friends. Yeah, this is the finished look, guys. I hope you like it, and thank you for watching. Until next time, and I'll see you in another video. Peace out. Bye.